Listen, I know the episode is about to start, but I just gotta tell you this. We are now going to be on the radio, XFM 102.7 FM. Babies, no filter is about to take over, so your Saturday mornings are about to be even better. Okay, enjoy the show now.
Because I'm so like office, content, office, content. And then I'm so drained by the end of the day.
What do you expect? Think you're a fucking robot? Office. Who the fuck do y'all people think y'all like these badass machines? Like, not even the fucking Transformers were used to do shit. I feel like everybody just needs to be all the way honest. Everybody was very much not expecting Curaçao to do much. That they already did this? Scored? Listen. I see now one of the debates that's online, people complaining that they're not from Curaçao. So all of them were actually born in Holland. So
only one of them is
it's
from
a match
Curaçao.
of Holland versus Holland.
Inside the 7-1 score.
If you didn't score nothing, the fact that I am in the World Cup as Curaçao, they did their big ones to me already. So guys, Mashaba being missed. I think for me, one of the proud moments that I had was when they pulled out the flag,
that was
the Curaçao
so cool.
flag, and then they sang their national anthem, and it was like, world is listening to Papiamento right now. Like the world stage is listening to our language, the language that only we speak. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hey, yo, what's up? Okay, yeah, I'm like, wait, what? Hey, yo, what's up?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Guys, welcome back to the ABC Island's favorite podcast, No Filter in Paradise, a show about anything and everything between two friends. One is straight and the other.
Straighter. No, I'm just lying. I'm gay as fuck.
I was going to say, like, one is gay and the other. Like, wait, what? But then you're going to switch it up. Oh, see, guys, he was gay. But I'm not. Either way, guys, welcome back to the show. As you know, every Tuesday, it's a little me and Shark episode. We talk about a topic. Obviously, the number one thing we're going to be talking about today is Curaçao FIFA World Cup.
You already know.
It's where were you when they scored that goal?
I was probably driving. You know, I was always late. I'm always late.
I'm not gonna lie, I was sitting in the car too.
You see?
I think after I just talked to you actually.
Nah, but that they didn't score by then.
No. But I think that was around the time they started the game, and then you were going through Singing Frogs. I think
that was like that was the halftime.
But no, then they already scored.
That's what I'm telling you. I was driving.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
To come there to Chill Cafe.
Yeah.
Because there was that thing going on. The game started at 1.
Yeah. I
got there like 1:30.
Yeah. I was also by Chill Cafe, and we were also shooting a client for a client.
Yeah.
And we have something we call like UGC Sprint. We film, edit, post right away because we're trying to do.
Yeah.
So anyways, I was sitting in the car like, okay, we got the shot. Cool. I'm going to go in the car and edit so we can post it later. No freaking way. And then I missed the whole hype and everything, but I remember.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, this is very dark. Where were you when 9/11 happened? Everybody can remember, like, I'm sorry. But you understand what I mean? Where were you when Curaçao scored their first goal in the World Cup?
Yeah.
I was sitting in my car and I saw everybody to my left jumping, like hundreds of people at Hamaca. Because I was on that side in my car.
Yeah.
Screaming and yelling. It was so awesome to see. So that's where I was. But
my dumbass was driving. Like I
you
was
missed
hella
it.
late.
You missed it.
I did. But either way, it did feel good to see them score. Like just that they had.
Well, you didn't see them score. You heard them.
I
Social
saw
media,
the score
yeah,
eventually on the damn board. Okay, it was 1.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Yeah, I am very happy as well. Like, and what to me was more impressive, putting aside the 7-1 score. No, everybody in the world was like, fuck the score. You guys got a goal in the World Cup. I'm getting goosebumps right now.
Against
like Germany, who was in the top 10. They won the World Cup 4 times. They're like in the top 10 best team to beat in the fucking World Cup. And you get to score a goal against them. Even the keeper was pissed off. Like, I don't know if you saw the reaction. He tossed the ball like, God damn it. They scored against me. His ego must have been hurt.
Like, who the fuck are these little blue people?
Yeah, blue people. I'm blue. No.
Nah, damn.
Not the avatars. But
so stupid.
No, but It's super cool to see the world's reaction. Everybody's sending the message of like, even people in Curaçao, even like after the game was finished, like at Hamaka and chill area, people were just like vibing. Game's over, but the party continues. Everyone's having a good time. Everybody's like proud of the fact that Curaçao made it so far, made it into the World Cup, and I really hope when we go to Curaçao, I'm thinking about this now. I want to sit with Muriat again, the director of CEO of CTB, which is the Curaçao Tourism Board. The exposure and the marketing that Curaçao is getting right now is ridiculous. It's like 10 years of budgets,
of course,
into 5 weeks. Everybody knows Curaçao now.
Chata, I saw Anushka Kova was there at the game as well.
Everybody was there. Miles was there. CTB was there. Who from Aru was? Herlin, I think, was there. I saw a picture of Herlin
as well.
Wendrick was also there.
A lot of people were there. There was a lot of people there. I mean, it was a moment to want. If you had to go, this was the moment to go.
And I'm so happy because, like, I'm happy to see one big section just blue. Like, I'm getting goosebumps. Like,
I think for me,
like
one of the proud moments that I had was when they pulled out the flag,
that was
the Curaçao
so cool.
flag, and then they sang their national anthem, and it was like, listen, the world is listening to Papiamento right now. Like, the world stage is listening to our language, the language that only we speak. Mm-hmm. To me, that was like a moment of fuck.
Speaking of Anushka and Helene together in Houston. See? Sorry, continue.
But to me, that was a moment of, oh my God, Curaçao really did the damn thing. Mm-hmm. Like, they really did the damn like, we are in the World Cup. So the fact to me that the proudness of them just even stepping on the field.
Yeah. Bro,
if you didn't score nothing, the fact that I am in the World Cup as Curaçao, that alone is. Listen. I don't have nothing to prove to. Listen, at this point, their price went up. They don't even have to talk to nobody else anymore. Like,
what do you mean?
Who are you talking about?
Who's price?
The players.
Oh,
I'm talking about the players.
Yeah.
Because, baby, we are World Cup people. Like, what are you talking about? Where have you been?
Yeah.
What have you accomplished?
Those people on the field are like, for them it could be a once in a lifetime because we don't know. They could
2 more games to go. We don't know.
No, what I mean is like in 4 years will they make it again?
We don't know.
Exactly, we don't know. But as of right now, this could be a once in a lifetime moment. Like when in about 20 years, their kids gonna be like, "Hey, Dad, what was the highlight of your life?" I actually played in the World Cup. What? Lost 7-1, but I was at the fucking World Cup. Like, I was standing there, looking around, massive stage, everybody just like sitting, like a full stadium, just to watch you guys play. I didn't watch
soccer, but we lost 7-1 to one of the best teams.
Yeah,
like
you got to score a goal. Like that for me, when I knew they were playing, my whole thing was like, please score a goal, because if you're gonna listen, if you're gonna go out guns blazing. You know, at least try to score one goal so you can say, hey, at least we scored a goal against Germany. Our little Curaçao island, 150,000 people, we fucking scored a massive fucking goal.
I see now one of the debates that's online is people complaining that they're not from Curaçao. So they're all of them were actually born in Holland. So
only
basically
one of them is
it's
from
a
Curaçao.
match of Holland versus Holland.
Yeah.
And yada, 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 and all this extra bullshit. And it's like, well, nobody from Holland looks like them. Let's start with that. I mean, they were...
People in Holland? The Holland team?
No, this is the world. Like, there's reels all over now. Like, people are discussing. They're like... Because, again, they've never heard of this place. Curaçao made history as the smallest country to ever qualify for the World Cup. Mm-hmm. So they are getting attention right now. So people are doing their research, and they're like, well, actually, all of these players... I saw some guy was like, oh, the guy that scored the goal, he's from Breda or I don't know where. So congratulations to Holland. Holland, you should be proud. It's like y'all always call him Antiano ng sushi. Bye back East.
But when it's good for you.
But now, y'all love them little blackies, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all love them.
Yeah. Or when I remember when Xander Bogaerts was playing in the World Series. And like, Xander Bogaerts, Netherlands. Mm-hmm. And I remember there was a big outrage, like, what the fuck? Like, he's from Aruba. Like, now Holland wants to take credit when it's beneficial for them, but when it's not beneficial, like,
bye back.
Hindi Isla.
You're not one of us.
Yeah. Nah, but it's I did see some of the it's not backlash, but the controversy of like out of the 11 players, only one of them, I think the curly hair one, was born in Curaçao.
Yeah.
Everybody else was born in Holland. Who gives a fuck? They decided to represent where their family is from, which is Curaçao.
They're all Antillanos. They all speak Papiamento.
Yeah.
Just not saying nang, like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
What do you want the kids to do? Like, it's not their fault.
I'm just happy they made it to the World Cup. And for me, the next 2 matches are the important one because we don't know how that's going to turn out.
Listen, honestly,
I want them to
we
score a
didn't
goal.
expect much from Curaçao. I feel like everybody just needs to be all the way honest. Everybody was very much not expecting Curaçao to do much. The fact that they already did this, you scored? Listen, I'm already proud. I don't care. They don't have to do nothing else to me.
I don't give a damn.
They did their big ones to me already. So guys, masha pa being missed. Another person that I'm super, super, super proud of is Jeon.
Yeah.
The amount
How
of
do you forget about that?
Mama Was that I've heard. This guy performed. Houston, Texas is the world hearing them sing in the stadium the Blue Wave song. And it's like...
Now, anything can add to his resume, I sang at the World Cup.
Like...
Yeah.
The world heard people chanting this man's song word for fucking word.
And brought energy. I didn't see.
Like, those words, the lyrics now mean so much more after all of this. I mean, it was already good lyrics. Jeon is a really great lyricist. But now, what these words and that song represent, it's huge.
Yeah.
It's huge. So... Jeon, listen, his price probably went up as well too.
God damn.
Listen, what? You know how many streams that song is getting? That song is on everybody's caption on Instagram and all this good stuff.
I'm looking it up right now.
So I know he gonna make a pretty damn penny out of that. That's for sure.
This guy doesn't sleep.
Nah, listen. Ore cuesta bom.
Yeah, 1.8 million. When did this song come out?
I can't remember. I know the guys requested him to make that song last year. I want to say.
Because it's been out less than a year, for sure.
I want to say so, yeah.
Where do you see the information?
On Spotify, you can probably see it.
I am on Spotify, but I'm trying to...
okay, don't scream. Don't fucking scream. Okay.
Anyways, well, the song has 1.8 million streams so far. It's only been out for like, what, 6 months? 6 to 8 months?
I don't know. But anyways, Sam.
Trying to tell us what else I want to say about Curaçao.
I don't know, but success, Curaçao.
Yeah, we're
gonna be watching for the rest of the games. Where did you? Oh, yeah, you stayed there.
I was at Hamaka.
Okay, no,
I was at Chill Cafe, and then I was going back and forth. I knew people on both sides.
I went to Senior Frogs after.
How was it over there?
It was cute. It was cute. It was chill. But again, I came after the halftime, so by the time I got there, everybody was hella defeated because the score.
Yeah,
and then Germany just kept scoring.
Not at Chill.
No, people were like not happy about it. They were real. Everybody was in their Curaçao outfits and all that good stuff. They were not happy about it at all. But the energy wasn't like bad. It was just people were just like, "Fuck Curaçao." I'm like, guys, y'all have to have faith. Like
then your atmosphere sucks because I was there with Darren, Nicole.
Yeah,
bro, they were like, "Oh, I wish I had a video."
No, but that's them. That's
Nicole
just them.
is like in the front, like.
No, that's just them.
But I love it. I have a video of Darren. I showed him afterwards. He was just when we were playing the anthem of Curaçao. He's like sitting, and like he's really like singing like his heart out. I know, but you don't see that side of Darren, like the emotional side. That I hope you like Koyi Mama was all like, it tells you as it is, but. Like you see him emotional like that in that video.
I don't know.
It
depends how you know Darren. Sad. Darinsky is a sweetheart. We love Darren.
Looking for your next meal? Well, guess what? You should go follow No Filter Eats. It's a link in the description. It's basically me and Shark going all across Aruba, trying different restaurants and different food trucks based on where you guys tell us to go. So if you love food and want to know where to go eat next, click the link in the description, follow it, and we'll see you there and enjoy the rest of the show. Peace.
Okay, guys, so we just had a conversation that's going to be dropping on Thursday's episode.
Not this Thursday.
No, not this one.
Probably the following Thursday.
Okay, next week.
I think this week is going to be Trampolim pa Trabaho.
Oh, yeah.
So that's a good episode to watch. Joreen. We talked about people, not only with disabilities, but just people who have a hard time finding jobs. more focused on people with disabilities. And trampoline trabaho.
Okay, wait. Because I don't want to say too much about the episode.
No, but just give it a little bit. Like
yeah. But did you end up like going to your doctor?
For what?
Do you forgot what happened in that episode? Like what we talked about in that
Oh,
episode?
yeah.
Like goddamn.
If I have potential ADHD. No, I'm supposed to reach out to Misha.
I mean Misha. That's what you said.
We had the conversation with Mauro as well.
Yeah.
There's another episode's coming out.
Another one has to come out as well.
Yeah. So guys, we have a lot of episodes in the pipeline. We're trying to build up because we are going to Curaçao soon. But yeah, I'm when I get the time, probably very soon. Tori's going to see her family, so I'm going to take that time to go handle whatever I need to handle. But yeah, I'm gonna go to when I reach out to Misha, and she's gonna help guide me to see if what kind of level of ADHD do I have, because apparently I do have it, based off of people that have it, and they see my behavior like, brother, abuso zo day. So I just want to know what the extreme is, or to what extreme do I have it, and how do I?
Yeah, you need to hurry up and do that because you be pissing me off.
Yeah, but at the same time, dude, that's who I am.
No,
like it makes it.
No.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, no.
It fucks with my day today.
It fucks.
I forget things.
Fucks, I mean, I get affected too. So yeah,
everybody,
fix that shit.
Tyler, everybody gets affected.
I don't give a fuck about them. That has nothing to do with me.
Listen, when I used to work at Senior Frogs and Gusto, my idea was the best thing.
It was perfect.
It was like, it helps me thrive in the environment. But now,
and even so, your colleagues were pissed at you. Like they were like, "Sammy's never in his fucking place. He doesn't work."
First of all, I was the top seller in there. Okay,
you could be the top seller. Don't mean you did your job good. Like for the rest of what you had to do,
I don't give a fuck what they were doing.
You did part of your job.
As long as my fucking sales are higher than anybody else, I did my job.
You did part of your job.
Don't matter.
Cleaning and all that is also part of it. Yeah.
I also MC. Anyways, not important.
Yeah.
I thrive in that environment, but now what we're doing now, so it's more serious, more
structure, guidance.
What is that? Never heard of it.
Yeah.
What is structure?
Yeah, structure is the best thing in life. Okay, structure is what you need.
That's where I'm lacking right now. So that and being more focused. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Especially what we're doing now, being like, I hate saying like entrepreneur. But now being in this kind of world where replying to emails, doing your BBO, doing all the office work, the paperwork, all the boring shit that drives me fucking nuts.
Welcome to fucking adulting.
I hate it. I just like, I like to, I barely socialize because I'm so like office, content, office, content. Like, and then I'm so drained by the end of the day. I'm just like, fuck.
You're human. What do you expect?
Yeah.
You think you're a fucking robot? Office. Who the fuck do you? Y'all people think y'all like these badass machines? Like y'all not even the fucking Transformers were used to do shit like
Optimus. That. No, but so that's gonna be a fun episode. That I suppose to come out this Thursday, and then we're gonna have next week Thursday. We're gonna have the one we just did with this guy right here, who Jimmy Douglas. He's very vocal on social media. He's a UTV owner company, a tour guide company.
I love Jimmy. I'm sorry. I'm just saying it. Like
if we had to have a third person on the fucking show, it might be Jimmy. I love Jimmy. He is the white, straight, male version of Shark. He says what he wants to say, and if that causes his problems, so fucking
sound
be
like
it.
You problem.
Yeah. And, on this show, we had multiple times, we had different people from different companies, organizations come on the show and be vocal and set their opinion about UTVs, tour guides, yada, yada, yada. Everybody's always bashing them, but we never had somebody come on the show from the other side. Jimmy stepped up to the plate, be like, you know what? I'm going to take the fucking bullets here, so fuck it. He showed up, and he came with, guys, receipts. Binders. He showed emails. He showed blah, 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 blah.
He had it all.
He called out people. He called out Atta. He called out Greg Peterson. Greg Peterson.
Is he a doctor?
I don't even know.
I heard him say doctor. I was like, wait, he's a doctor?
I didn't even know what he did. He called him out. He called a bunch of people out. And he brought the problem and he brought solution. So
it's going to be a juicy episode. Yeah. I feel like y'all are definitely going to enjoy it.
Yeah.
He kept it very real and very respectful.
Yeah.
jokes. There was some good vibes. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It was a good vibe because there was some jokes in between. It wasn't like serious.
Yeah.
It was serious and jokes and like.
That's no filter too.
It was a no filter comment. He gets he completely. You can tell he watches the show. He said he watches the show, so you can tell like he gave.
So that's definitely one episode you guys have to watch. It comes out in 2 weeks, and then the mode episode comes out after that. So yeah, I think that's it for today's episode, guys. We're keeping it very short because we got to keep it going. We got things to do right now, but let us know as well. Who do you guys? Is there anything happening on the island or people we should be interviewing? Let us know down below. Send me a DM on Instagram. Send a filter or Shark a DM on Instagram, and then we'll go from there. So, as always, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and go check out our food review channel, No Filter Eats on Instagram. And anything else you want to add?
No. Shout out to Fanta.
Yeah.
You already know. Don't play with it.
Fanta Orange. That's my favorite. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Actually, no. Banana. Because I just tried it. Sorry, guys. I thought we were closing off, but I just gotta get this. I've never had the banana one until recently, and it's actually pretty damn good. And it didn't feel. I know that things used to be sweeter.
Yes.
And now, it doesn't feel as like my teeth.
It doesn't feel guilty drinking it. I agree
it feels
with
like
you.
a light banana soda, and it hits the spot. Nothing like. But then I'll go like. Oh, this shit's too sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, this like so sugary. I never got that feeling when I drank the banana.
It's true. And that's how I feel like lately. I've been drinking the fruit punch one.
Yeah.
Since I feel like now that we have to like talk about them, so I was like, okay, well.
Like it's an obligation. Like now that we have to talk about.
Yeah, no,
true.
I mean,
They're
now
a
that,
sponsor.
you know, that, like that, now that it's like part of the conversation because those are the two newest flavors.
Yeah.
The orange already exists. The grape already exists. So.
Is there any more Fanta flavors?
Yes, there's a lot. I think there's like a lime as well. Fanta lime. But I don't know what we have.
We have fruit punch, orange, grape, banana. That's it.
Yeah. The banana isn't only in bottles. There's not cans.
Yeah, hopefully they'll change that.
But the fruit punch, I like it now. It's also the same thing. It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
It's like, I like it. It's not too sweet, so I like that. I feel like red soda, I'm not a red soda drinker.
You know what we should do?
What?
We should figure out a way how to, like, I don't want to say cocktails, but what kind of like mocktails you can make with these flavored sodas?
Okay, bartender.
I mean, I used to bartend. I used to be.
That's what I'm saying. So.
I'm looking up. Fanta.
Is this a challenge?
I don't even know.
Yeah, I mean, come on. And you got the house for it, so.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. There's a lot of flavors. Not a lot, but I see one here is this peach? Bring pineapple. Bring motherfucking. There's a blue can. It's a berry. And that's it.
Let me see that. I've never seen that.
Look. Oh shit! That shit just slide.
Okay.
There's like a peach one. Bro. Tropical. Croppin. Pineapple. Bring Fanta pineapple. I think that would go great with vodka.
There's like different ones.
Yeah.
There's strawberry. There's apple. There's cherry. All of these are red.
But what do locals like though? All right, Azza, clip this whole part of Fanta conversation because I think it's important. Oh, I didn't see that picture.
Sorry.
You can't slide.
Fuck you.
You can't slide it.
What do locals like? I don't know.
Lychee?
I feel like
no, this is AI shit. I don't think so.
Lychee. Ooh, I love a good lychee martini. It's my favorite. No.
I think they should bring Fanta lemon. And when I was in Spain, there was something called Tinto de Verano, which where you cut like slices of lemons and oranges, mostly oranges. You know how they mix sangria in a pitcher? Exact same thing. You got a really good, nice flavored wine. And then I don't know if it's a 50-50 or a 60-40. 60 being wine and 40 being Fanta lemon. And just that with slice of oranges, like that's like a different version of sangria.
Refresher or something, yeah.
Shark, it's so, I was in Spain working, addicted. So delicious. It goes down like a soda.
It's because I can imagine it's just refreshing.
So good.
And you still get the little buzz from the wine.
Yeah, it does well with the Fanta orange too because it's still citrusy, just a little bit different flavor.
Okay, I can see that.
Maybe we should try that first. Orange with wine. We try it out.
What type of wine though? Check it out. I mean,
Cabernet.
You could check it out.
Cabernet.
Let's see.
I'll ask, Tori knows wine better than me.
Is it white wine or red wine?
Red wine.
Oh, okay.
Has to be red.
So
So
it doesn't matter what type of red wine.
we're gonna try it out, and then we're gonna let people know.
Okay.
Cool. Maybe we'll do the next No Filter Eats at my house, and then we'll experiment there.
Do a red blend or a Pinot Noir?
Red blend. I prefer red blends.
Okay.
Cool. All right, guys, that's it for today. We'll see you next week. Peace. Ayo.
Ow.